Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change language in Netflix. So you will learn how to change the interface language on the app. So to do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app, open it. And after that, go to My Netflix. After that, click on your profile name. Click Manage Profiles. Click on your profile. And after that, as you can see, there is option called Display Language. Click on it. And as you can see, for example, for me, I'm choosing English. I can choose any other language that they are offering in the app. And I can change the app language to it. Of course, after you click OK, as you can see, the language of the app has changed. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the